Ooh. Ooh. This doesn't seem to be working. Oops. Wow. So if they're too close to orbit, it destroys the planet. Titans. Oh wow, crashing together. That's so cool. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah, my controller's not working because I think you do need to use. Yeah, I can just use this. So, wow, you can zoom in and out. That's so cool. Okay. Let's make the Earth bigger by adjusting its properties. Okay. Well, the Earth's pretty much destroyed now, isn't it? Oh, a bit too close. Oh, here you go. So I clicked on that. The Earth is now a rogue object, melted, thanks to all the moons. Let's, okay, next. Make it twice as big. Oh wow. Cool. Okay, back to normal, right. Sun is the most important source of fuel for life on Earth. What if we got rid of it? Well, all the planets would float away. To remove an object from the simulation, use the delete tool. Click tools. Tools is down here. Delete. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh no. There's the Earth being flung off into space. Bye. Jupiter's still doing its own thing, look. No, it's going to go off eventually, isn't it? And Saturn. Oh look, Juno, that's gone. Wow. Saturn and Jupiter is still doing quite well. Is it because they're so big? It takes less... Oh no, Jupiter's about to go off into the galactic centre. Saturn's doing alright. No, not quite. It's definitely off target now, isn't it? Oops. Oh no, we're frozen. We turned into an ice ball. A snowball, rather. Click on its properties. Oh, I love this. It's so much fun. It's so good for sci-fi writers. I'm going to create some cool planets. My next sci-fi space opera. I guess it's my first sci-fi, my first space opera. Can try and get it out properly. My first space opera is actually set on Titan, so this would be quite fun to do some visual stuff, to go on to do some book launch stuff. Okay, what we're doing? We can see how temperature is changing across the Earth's surface by opening the Earth data values. Oh wow. Surface temperature is now cold. Minus 73 degrees, wow. Maybe we can warm the Earth back up with a friendly laser blast. Sounds like we're being quite abusive here. Chung. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, we're melting it. I'm not sure anything's alive though, is it? Oh, the water's frozen off though, isn't it? So there's no oceans anymore. That's why the land looks like that, because the water's being zapped into space. Oh, I was like, I'm actually doing that. I'm just joining the oceans with the laser. I didn't realise that until just then. There's my house just there. Done. Oh, now what? Minimise. Oh, it's too hot now. Click tools. Oh, let's add a red dwarf or something. Click add. Select stars. Where's the stars? There. Oh, Rigel. A supergiant Rigel. Not sure that's going to be great for Earth, really, is it? 23 times more massive than the Sun. Its gravitational force should be enough to bring back. Oh, because we're so far away now, aren't we? So it's going to be good for us, because the habitable zone is going to be wider. I love this. This is so much fun. This is so geeky. Yay! It's like Goldilocks on the free planets. Oh. Oops. Didn't work. I think I killed everybody. Oh! In Universe Sandbox, you can create and adapt planets to your whim. Let's try terraforming Mars. Oh, terraforming Mars. How cool. So tools. Planetscaping. Wow. Water. Give it some motion. Oh, I love this. It's not very lasting, is it? Oh, just to hold it. Oh, I was clicking instead of holding down. Quadruple the rate. Let's just do 10 times the rate. Oh, 2 times. Huh. There's evidence to suggest that there was water on Mars millions of years ago, or was it billions? I can't remember. Billions. Billions of years, of course, not millions. So there probably are. We're actually making it like it used to be. So we're helping Mars. Okay, done that. Now what? Now that Mars has some water, let's wait a few years and see what happens. Oh, I don't think I want to wait a few years. Oh. Cool. Oh, it's just freezing, isn't it? Because it's too cold. It's too far from the sun still. The water that we added started to freeze because Mars is so cold. We can try and give Mars shorter days so one side doesn't get too hot, making it spin faster. Or we could just move it closer to the sun. Spin. Spin acceleration. Aim at the edge of our planet and press and hold to make it spin faster. Oh. Oh. Oops. Oh no. Slow down, slow down. Oh no. The surface flew off. We made Mars spin so fast that gravity couldn't hold it together anymore. It turns out it can be hard to make a planet habitable. Oh. Oops. Oh, Trappist. Cool. This is where there's life. It's not been proven, but I think there might be. Trappist 1, Trappist 2. Oh my god, this game's amazing. While we practice terraforming, Universe Sandbox lets us explore real, potentially habitable systems. The Trappist 1 system is 40 light years away, and we've observed 5 planets that are similar to the size of Earth. Yeah. Trappist looks amazing. I reckon there's aliens living there. Ooh. Double the mass using the... Uh-oh. So we've already destroyed it. I just love this. It's so clever, isn't it, how it simulates. This would be good if you're doing an astronomy degree. It'd be good for your revision. Oh. Oh. Is that the Milky Way and Andromeda? Cool. Home. Oh. Click open. Open. Oh wow. Featured. Saturn's rings, Trappist, Milky Way, Sun, Wolf, Jupiter. Horse Taylor binary pulsar. Wow. Click Saturn with rings. Oh my gosh. What would happen if we put Neptune in orbit around Saturn? I'm not sure it'd be a good thing. Let's see what happens, shall we? Add planets, Neptune. Uh-oh, nah, it's not looking good. Place Neptune in close orbit around Saturn and watch it rip apart the rings. How close? That's like on the planet. No. Maybe here? Ready? Boom. Uh-oh. Oh wow, this is so much fun. I could do this for hours, just destroying planets. Oh, look at all the rings going around. That's so cool. Wow. Neptune hasn't crashed into Saturn yet, though. What's going on there? Wow. So it's swinging them out, wasn't it? Amazing. Click home. Click guides. If you want to learn more about using the Universe Sandbox, there's a topic here. Okay, next. Oh, that was just a simulation. That was really fun. I've not even started it yet. Okay. Welcome to, yeah, so that was the welcome. Okay, these are the tutorials, yeah. Welcome 2, welcome 3. Amazing. I'm slowly blown away. There's so much in there. Sight. Oh wow. So cool. Lessons. Okay. Open. Back to our solar system. That's so cool, isn't it? Zoom in. Ooh, a bit too fast. Oh, can't keep up with the Earth. I want to see the Earth. It's going really fast. Oh. Zoom out. There you go. Try and catch up with it. Oh. Oh my god, this is quite hard to. Okay, we'll forget that. Can we add something? Ooh. Let's increase the mass by 10. Oops. Wow. Completely destroyed everything. With a 10. Everything's getting super fast, that. Oh, it's just sucked everything in. It's just literally cleared the whole solar system out. Got Pluto still, I think. Pluto still survived. Neptune. And lots of, I guess these are asteroids, comets rather. Oh, Neptune's kind of being sucked in. Pluto's just been sucked in. Wow. Let's do it again. Let's get that Neptune. Oh look, it's sucking everything else in. A bit more. Ah, there you go. Oh my god, it's so much fun. I've got OCD, so I like cleaning, so this is like kind of cleaning up the solar system. It's quite mad. Oh! Oops. I think I went a bit too high with the mass. Ooh! It's like that part of Interstellar, isn't it? Ooh! Oh my god, I've got inside it. Oh, getting a bit dizzy now. I think I might end it there because I feel a bit sick. Ah. Exit. Very satisfied, thank you. That was fun. That was my first go at Universe Sandbox. And I'm sure I'll have lots more times to go in the future.